Chicago's Teatro Luna Theater Company stopped by the Lincoln Park campus tonight to perform their play SEXO. The Sexo performance dealt with issues of gender and sexuality facing Latina communities.
It explored sexual freedom for Latinas a lot more than anyone else would ever express it.
Sexo's approach to current social issues involves some explicit language and controversial topics, which didn't seem to faze students like Mario Flores.
I think that it was right on point. I mean, we are mature, we are college students, we are adults.
The message, in particular, spoke to Latina women.
I grew up in a very strict household with parents who didn't talk about sex or gender or being a Latina woman. And so I had to encounter these issues on my own and kind of learn, through experience and through friendships, how to kind of compose myself as a woman.
The all-Latina cast reached across cultural borders as well.
No, I could totally identify with some of the stories, and I could see a lot of other women identifying with it.
Men got the message too.
As college students, as consumers of rap music and lyrics that, really degrade women, we need to be reminded that language and that behavior is unacceptable.
The Gamma Phi Omega International Sorority has a few events left to finish off the school year. Next up, Mr. Papi Chulo, right here at the Multi-Purpose Room next Thursday. Here at the Student Center, I'm Julia Rose with DePaul News.